Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation, the weekend edition, because not everyone works Monday to Friday.
This is the Learn, Develop, Live podcast, bringing all the motivation and inspiration to help try and kickstart your day. And here is your quote. Repeat after me. I can do this. Yes, you really can do this. You can do anything that you actually want to, if that's really what you want. Your determination to succeed in what you're chasing will dictate just how successful you can and will be. Make a plan to know exactly where you're going and what you want to do, learn any new skills and talents that you may need, and then jump in and chase that goal. Your success can only be measured by how well you feel you've done, so the sooner you start, the better that success.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.